Come, let us prepare. Make some good profits today. And the market left us very big clues right here. And good evening, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Market left us very beautiful clues here. Let's talk about that in today's video. Because you will realize Monday is all about building liquidity. Plenty of liquidity here. That's very important. You need to pay close attention to. But before that, intraday analysis. Important you understand today's algorithms. Very important because they will provide clues for you what's going on. And it's important you too know how to review for the day, what went wrong for you, and how to be using the algorithms to help you in your trades thereafter. Now, first things first, 9:36. At 9:36, we have already identified a very key algorithm for today. So take a look, 9:36, yeah, and 9:36 was about, well, if I'm not wrong, is about here, 9:36, 6 minutes into the day, right? You've already identified the beautiful teal algorithm right here. Now, once you identify the teal algorithm right here together with the 20-day moving average, this became quite a straightforward trade, isn't it? Especially once you see how penny perfect building the liquidity in the teal. Let me zoom it in and show it to you much closer here. 9:36 here, right? Understanding this, you see the teal just building liquidity. 9:36 is here. Just take a look for yourself. 20-day moving average, very beautifully forming some sort of support. We built support off the teal and 20-day moving average. And just take a look. Absolutely penny perfect. All because you identified the teal, how it broke out of the teal early with 20-day moving average right there. Unfortunately, this was probably one of the better entries for the entire day. Happened before 10 a.m. So if you missed it, it may be a little difficult, but I'll just see it for yourself. How beautiful. Penny perfect, the algorithm says. Now, there's something I want to talk about later as well. But it doesn't matter if you miss this, because I taught you another technique later. I will share it with you. Just see it for yourself, teal. And my question to you is, why do you want to short this? Many times I told you not to short this. Let me run through that later. But thereafter, you see, and I told you about this magenta algorithm here. Now, it's important you understand the